Top 6. Best table saws. However, when it's time to choose the right table saws, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best table saws on the market today, so if you're interested in what table saws will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best for all-purpose use. DeWalt 10-inch table saw. Key specs. Model #DWE7491RS. Model type, job site. Blade size, 10 inches. Rip capacity, 32.5 inches. This table saw offers the durable quality you expect from DeWalt combined with the convenience of features such as telescoping fence rails that retract for easier portability. The onboard storage system makes it easy to keep all of your accessories handy yet organized and out of the way. At 90 pounds, this table saw isn't light, but it's designed to fold up quickly for relatively easy transport. Pros. High rip capacity. Built-in rolling stand with sturdy wheels. Cons. Limited compatible accessories. Number 2. The best budget table saw. Worx WX572L Blade Runner X2. If you don't have the budget for higher-end options, the Worx WX572L Blade Runner could be a suitable substitute. It has a wide blade selection and small frame for easy transport. Dimensions: 15.71 x 16.89 x 7.13 inches, 14.7 pounds. Blade diameter, 4 inches. Warranty, 3 years. Pros: blade replacement is much cheaper than circular saw models. Cons: relatively short blade won't be ideal for thicker boards, not durable enough for everyday use. Even though this saw uses a jigsaw blade instead of a circular one, it can still perform the same cutting functions. It's an affordable option if you need to make rip or crosscuts. It can even make miter cuts from 0 to 60 degrees, so it's even more versatile. Number 3. Great safety features. Bosch Worksite Table Saw. Key specs. Model #4100XC10. Model type, job site. Blade size, 10 inches. Rip capacity, 30 inches. This table saw delivers both innovative convenience and enhanced safety protections. The gravity-rise wheeled stand allows for single-action collapsing that lets you store, transport, and set it up quickly and easily. The Smart Guard system encompasses several key safety features, including anti-kickback pawls and a guard assembly that provides a protective barrier preventing inadvertent contact with the blade. Pros. Integrated safety features for added protection. Powerful 4 HP motor. Cons. Stand requires some assembly. Number 4. For serious professionals. SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw.
When the saw is on, it's constantly on the lookout for change. Each SawStop saw has a brake cartridge just underneath the blade, and through the arbor, the saw introduces a small electrical signal onto the blade. When the woodworker touches the blade, their body absorbs that electrical signal. A digital signal processor in the brake cartridge detects the change and triggers the release of a heavy-duty spring, forcing an aluminum brake into the spinning blade. The saw blade goes from 4,000 RPM to 0 almost instantly. The blade's momentum forces it to retract below the table, and the motor is automatically shut off. All of that happens in less than 5 milliseconds. 10 times faster than a car's airbag. 10 times faster than your reflexes can respond to danger. Fast enough to turn a life-changing event into a minor cut. And all without damaging the saw. After activation, it's a new cartridge, a new blade, and 5 minutes. And you're back in business.
Number 5. Best bargain. Rockwell Blade Runner X2 Table Saw.
Want a workshop that's portable? Then get the new Rockwell Blade Runner X2, the go anywhere, cut anything compact table saw. With breakthrough features like lightning fast blade changes and mess-free cuts, Blade Runner's always ready to slice your work time. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get yours today.
Number 6. Best Budget Portable Table Saw. SKIL 15 amp 10-inch Table Saw. The Skil TS6307-00 Table Saw is excellent for a first-time woodworker and DIYer. It represents great value for money and is a great addition to any hobbyist's equipment. If you consider yourself a Skilsaw kind of person, there is the option to upgrade to the Skilsaw SPT70WT01. Here's why I think this model is the best budget portable saw on the market. A robust direct drive 15 amp motor. Heavy-duty steel stand and quick mount system for a quick, easy setup. What's included? 10-inch table saw. 24 T-saw blade. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.